have 2 kids and 2 dogs. It is crowded and there's just not enough space, and they're only getting bigger.
So we went from a tiny house into a house where everyone has their own space. We don't need a bigger house.
We spend a lot of time playing in the backyard, climbing the trees and going on the zip line. It is a kid's dreamland in the backyard, but we've outgrown this house.
No.
Kids' bathroom is too small. I'm the one that gives them baths, and when all 3 of us are in there, there's just not enough space. Randy, scooch over so we can close the drawer.
They're not gonna need you to help them take showers in the near future. And I think typically just one person uses a bathroom at a time.
As they get older and become teenagers, they'll both be wanting to use the bathroom at the same time to get ready in the morning for school. They're gonna need more space. It's great having a main bedroom that's this big. It's got a big main closet, so it would make sense that it would have a big main bathroom, but it doesn't. There's only 1 sink.
Yes, it would be nice to have 2 sinks, but it's not a reason to move.
We put the sliding door in, which did make it feel like there's a lot more room in here, but still not enough room for 2 people.
Simple fixes, make it fine.
I've done an evaluation on your home, and current value is $280,000. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds great.
Who wants to stay, who wants to go?
Stay.
I'm ready. Team David all the way.
Tell me what I have to do to this house to convince you to stay put.
Renovate and expand the main bathroom and closet. Renovate and expand the hallway bathroom. Move the laundry out of the kitchen. Create a guest area that's a little more dedicated to guests. Create a bonus space for the kids, and adding a dedicated office space. For myself,
So I need to know what my budget is.
$95,000.
Where is the extra space in this house that you see for enlarging bathrooms and creating rooms that don't exist?
Yeah, that's not my problem, right?
What is the must-have list to drag you out of this house?
I need an updated and open kitchen, at least 4 bedrooms, good-sized bathrooms and closets for everyone. We would like a bonus area, a separate laundry space, and a larger lot.
What's the budget?
$400,000.
Yeah, that is going to be a tight budget to get you a fantastic house and a big lot where you are currently. But outside the city limits, we might be able to find something really interesting.
Yeah, sounds great.
I'm excited about this.
Oh, I'm so happy. So I'm going to take that $95,000 and I am going to make this home functional and fabulous. And when I'm done, you're going to love it.
What's going to happen is I'm going to find you that fantastic house. The only thing you're going to say about this house is listed.
So in the perfect world, what I would do is to solve everything that's not quite right is pushing out. We have all this property, right?
Yeah, that's a
Can't
lot
do
of
it.
space.
Yeah, we don't have lots of budget.
What have we got?
$95,000.
Lord.
Well, wait, we're going to be able to work with that.
Okay.
Okay, so starting with this, laundry space, closet, is going to go back to being a pantry. And all I'm going to do here in their kitchen is paint. That's all I'm doing in there.
No kitchen leaves a lot of money.
Well, that's why we're going to work
Yeah,
within the
okay.
95.
Well, let me hear it.
All right. The next thing we're going to look at is the whole bath upgrade.
Okay.
Okay.
No sweat.
Main bedroom, which feels so big because of this great vaulted
Right.
ceiling. So here's my idea. There used to be unfitted wardrobes here. So instead of that, I want to do a custom closet system. It'll take a lot of pressure off of that closet there. Because what I want to do is expand this bathroom into that walk-in closet. If I could take the entire closet, they could have a tub, a shower, have room to move. It would be a really extraordinary ensuite. If they're not okay with that, I could take at least part of that, 2, maybe 3 feet of it, and then that will at least give them better than they've got for that little bathroom.
First house tour for David and Maria. It's got a massive lot, beautiful trees, good location. The house, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's got beautiful open concept main floor, bonus spaces galore, office opportunities. Not sure if they're gonna love it or not. We'll find out. You find the place no problem?
Yeah. But we're on a super busy street.
It's got a lot of what you guys want.
It's got a lot of street.
Let's go. All right, come on in. You do have 3,700 square feet here with a lot more options than your house is gonna have. How do you feel about having a living room and a formal dining room and a family room?
I don't love that they're all separated. Like, I want it to be open and flowy.
We are moving on from this space. You now have an eating kitchen. Look at the size of this island. Don't tell me this isn't better than your island.
It's not better than my
What do you
island.
mean? Look at all
my
the
island
people
is
sitting around.
huge.
Our island you can't eat at. You can eat at this one.
See, that's my point.
That's true. I do like chairs at the island.
So, see there? So,
And I like that window. That's very cool.
Yeah,
okay,
that
we're on a
window's
roll
very-
here. I like
that's
this.
awesome.
Let's go to the backyard. This is way better flow than your current setup.
It is nice to just step out into the backyard.
Right.
I'll give you that.
And you've got an acre of land, so you've got lots of room to play with. Let's go. A proper laundry room.
That is
Yeah,
nice.
this is amazing.
Look at the size of this.
This is my favorite room so far.
And the fact that it's not in your kitchen, the main bedroom.
There's carpet. That's not the best.
Do you guys hate carpet?
Kind of hate carpet. Well, we have 2 dogs.
Is Hilary giving you a bigger main bathroom?
Yes. And it's not going to be whatever era that is.
You've got a walk-in closet.
Yeah, this is big. This is nice.
While work is underway on both bathrooms, Hilary brings in Maria and David to show them her new plan for their laundry.
Starting here. We eliminate that whole idea of a custom closet. You've got a great big laundry side by side, space for shelving, space for hanging.
And a folding area too.
Well, yeah, I can do all of that on this side.
I love it.
Good, good.
I like that idea.
So where I am stumped is your office. You nixed it being in the basement.
I'm trying to help you so that it can be a guest space.
The best option. Take the pantry that used to be the laundry.
Don't like that idea very much.
I'm trying so hard to make this house work, but you are shutting me down on everything. So let's keep going. I want you to see the changes that have been made.
Oh, wow. It's huge.
This is the
And
shower?
we both fit in here.
Yeah, you can actually get
That's
ready
amazing.
together.
And then this is my new
So
closet.
this is what's left with the closet, which we talked about.
Are you
Nice
okay
job.
with losing that much closet space?
It is small. We might need a little bit of closet somewhere else.
Then let's change this up. I could still make this a laundry, but we would downgrade the whole laundry to give you a stackable. And then the balance of this would also be closet space.
So now there's extra closet space, but no office.
That's right. That's it.
All right. Well,
Sorry.
The more points David gets when he shows us houses that have offices, right? Just still wish you could find an office solution for me.
The reality is David the bad going to find David the good? And you know exactly which David I'm referring to. An office in a house for them? Of course he is. Am I? Nope.
I found something today that I think gives them what they need. It's a lot less than what I've been showing them, but it might work. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, semi-open concept on the main floor. It's got an upstairs that would be just for the kids, a little bonus room in the middle. It's got more lot than they currently have. Let's see what they think. You've got half-acre lot. What do you think of the house from the outside?
It's really cute.
I
Yeah?
really like
Yeah.
the look of it too. Yeah.
Let's go see this house. All right, so
I love it. I really like the floors, and I love, actually, as you look through, you can just see the backyard, just see trees.
Yeah.
I love trees.
that way. Here you have your eat-in kitchen, family room combination.
I really like it.
I like this.
This is perfect.
Definitely our style.
Yeah.
I like that little spot down
Isn't
there.
that nice? Come have a look. So this is gonna be the main dining area.
It's super cute.
I know it is. It's got a nice little walkout too. Tons of natural light.
I like the view of the tops of the trees.
Look at all those trees.
Let's go see some more. Nice sized deck, beautiful view of the backyard. You could put some steps down.
Oh yeah, you can't get down from here.
Zip line.
We do have a zip line.
Yeah.
All right, let's head back inside. We got a lot more to see. The main bedroom.
Oh, that's nice.
Lots of light.
Lots of light.
Lots of
Lots of big
windows.
windows.
There is carpet, but it's a nice color. It's subtle.
Freaking me out.
I know, I'm being super nice today. Wow.
Walk-in closet.
That is a big closet.
All right. The main bath.
That looks really
Oh, it's
nice.
got the big shower.
So this bedroom works for you guys. Everything that it has, the closet, bathroom.
Yeah.
It is perfect.
Like,
Yeah.
I like the 2 sinks.
How do you think this is going to compare to what Hilary's going to give you?
I think it's gonna be close.
There's no way she'll be able to make this much space at our house.
All right, let's head upstairs. Kids are basically going to get the whole upper level. This is their area.
Nice. This is a great space.
The only thing that you're going to have to come up here for is this.
The laundry.
Is the laundry.
That's convenient.
Is it?
Yeah, the kids produce more clothes than both of us combined.
But I gotta walk up and down the stairs.
Yeah, but eventually they're gonna learn how to do their own laundry. It's right here.
You gonna train them?
Do I look like a person that could train someone to do laundry?
Wow.
This is the kids'
They
bathroom.
get a nice bathroom.
They get a very nice bathroom.
It's perfect.
Their bathroom that they share. Was it updated?
It is getting updated.
That's
but
nice.
it's half the size of this one. Like, there's no way it'll ever be this big. This is nice.
Hilary's work is complete, and she's ready to unveil the final results to Maria and David.
Here we are on a nice rainy day. However, come on in because everything behind that door is sunshine and rainbows. Let's go.
I know you didn't make it bigger, but it feels bigger.
Isn't that great? It's complete illusion, of course. Big part of that is just painting everywhere so that it's refreshed and it's all the same color on the walls. You like the
Oh,
fixture.
wow. That changes the entryway quite a bit.
Go check that out.
So many things.
So you've got a little sort of a drop
perfect.
zone. And let's talk about the kitchen.
I love this.
We put this just to divide the kitchen and sitting
I
area.
love it.
There is no more laundry. There is a pantry.
Thank you. That is amazing. So much better than a washer and dryer.
Like it?
Yeah.
Love it.
Good.
I can't imagine what you did with the rest of the space.
The basement is the next thing we're going to look at. That's the big change. Okay, so before we go all the way down the stairs, I just want to point out you now have this fantastic, sturdy metal railing.
Awesome.
Ooh, I'm like really nervous. See the basement. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is amazing. I don't think this
It's a very different room.
It's Ladybug and Hopper.
Yes.
Wow.
Isn't that adorable?
That's awesome.
One of the biggest things that makes us feel
Wow.
better is having taken it all the way up and opened up this entire ceiling. The space, the light, the function, these doors solve so many things.
Wow.
This makes all the difference.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This great big sectional also opens up to be a bed. We don't have the space for a separate guest room, but this would be
But
it.
this works. Yeah, that's perfect. Workout stuff.
There's
Yeah.
workout stuff. I mean, we couldn't give you a workout space. You can create that if you want to by moving things around and using the floor space. There's still some storage in here for kids' stuff.
It's like a science lab in here. That's
Oh,
adorable.
that is awesome.
Kids are gonna love being down here, which is awesome, which means they won't make a mess upstairs.
I like the floor.
The floor
Kids
is
can dance.
The floor
So much
is
better.
LVT, so you don't have to worry about it. It is incredibly durable.
I like the color, everything.
And you can tap dance. Yes. There you go.
Maybe not you.
There's no reason why you can't bring your work down here if you want to and hang out
So this
with
is
them.
my office.
No, it is not your office. But if you get permission from the children, I'm sure you can share.
I love it.
I hear a lot of I love it. I love that you love it. All right.
Decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
Fantastic decision.
Team David.
Get the
He told me all about the house, I have to say. It sounds amazing. It has the same or larger lot. Hard to
Yeah,
believe.
Twice the size on the lot, so
Yeah.
getting more land and a little bit more house too.
Yeah. Great working with you guys, and I really had fun creating your loftus.
We might have to recreate the loftus in the new house.